Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. So, in today's video, we'll dive into one of the most powerful tools in modern web development, that is ReactJS. Whether you're new to front-end development or looking to strengthen your skill, this will give you a clear and simple introduction to ReactJS. So, yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So, let's first of all see what is ReactJS. So ReactJS is a JavaScript library. So a lot of people confuse ReactJS to be a framework, but it's not. So it's a JavaScript library. So when we say framework, that is nothing but it controls the structure and flow of your app, whereas a library like React is something you call when you need to perform a specific task, like building a UI. So ReactJS allows to create reusable UI component, which means you can build your app faster in a modular way with a clean and maintainable code. So React was developed by a software engineer who was working at Facebook. His name was Jordan Walk. It was used in Facebook as well. It was first used in Facebook in 2011 for Facebook's news feed, and it was made public in 2013. As of now, the latest version of React.js is 19.0.2, and it was released. So it was released in December 2024. That is when React.js 19.0 was released. So now let's see how does React work. So let me clear everything. It's not required. So let me clear all and see um, how does a React work. So basically what happens is whenever we are creating HTML, it directly, creates document object model in the browser. That's called DOM. Whereas React, it creates a virtual DOM in the memory. So it will create a virtual DOM, and so it's nothing but a lightweight copy of the real DOM in memory. When something changes in your app, React first updates the virtual DOM, then figures out exactly what changed and updates only that part of the real DOM. This makes React fast, efficient, and ideal for building dynamic applications. So what you should already know before proceeding further is one is HTML. You should be familiar. It's not necessary that you should know everything. You should know CSS and you should also know JavaScript. So this is the soul. JavaScript is the soul of React.js. So you should know, you should be familiar. So you can check out the videos. I'll be posting a playlist for this as well. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript really soon. So you can check that as well. So, so let's quickly see the code as well. I have a sample code for Hello World. We will go in detail about this code later, but React looks something like this. So import React from React. That is the library which will require React and React DOM. So React and React DOM slash client. That's the package that is required for that. And this is how you write the function. It's same like JavaScript, but it will change as and when we proceed further. So this is a simple function for hello world. So container. So you have to create a container. We need to get the element in the HTML. So if there is so when you install React, there will be a default element called root. That is nothing but there would be a div, a div tag already available, which will have a ID called root. So that is pulled and stored in container. This container, so we are creating it virtually, a React DOM dot create root container. So this will virtually create the DOM in the React memory, and then we will change root dot render of hello. So basically, we are pushing this data root dot render and pushing hello inside that. So what does hello have? It has a h1 tag, so that will be pushed to the div container which was pulled over here, and then it will analyze and push the code accordingly and show in the browser as well. So that's how React, works. So that's a sample code which I wanted to show. So React helps you build powerful, efficient, and reusable UI component. So in the upcoming videos, let's see the other functionalities of React one by one. So yeah, this was a quick video which I wanted to do. Something like an introduction to React. So in the upcoming videos, let's see what will be covered and accordingly move further with this little series which I wanted to create. So yeah, that's all in the video, guys. Hope you all liked it. So if you like, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in next video. Until then, see you. Bye.